And as we just explained, Arizona is continuing to face fallout after the Arizona Supreme Court's ruling that a 160-year-old law criminalizing nearly all abortions is still enforceable. The decision is keeping the issue front and center in the race for the White House. Senior Washington correspondent Hallie Jackson has the latest.
New fallout this morning over a bombshell ruling in Arizona that puts in place one of the country's strictest anti-abortion laws. The state's Supreme Court decision reinstating a law put in place 160 years ago, 1864, before Arizona was even a state. It makes no exceptions for rape or incest, only for the life of the mother. Overnight, the Democratic governor furious.
The devastating impact of this ban that it will have on health care for women across the state is just unconscionable.
Once the law goes into effect, which could be in the next couple of months, doctors could face prison time up to 5 years for performing the procedure.
Our state legislature and our judges in our state feel that people in the year 2024 want to go back to 1864, when slavery was legal and women didn't have the right to vote for 50 years.
The state's attorney general says she has no intention of enforcing the law.
No woman or doctor will be prosecuted under this draconian law.
Anti-abortion advocates celebrating the ruling as a win. But President Biden calling it cruel and posting a photo of former President Trump with the caption, "Trump did this," a nod to the Supreme Court's 2022 decision overturning Roe v. Wade, a decision that for decades overruled state laws like the one in Arizona. Mr. Trump, who's taken credit for the Supreme Court's decision, in a new statement from his campaign, reiterates these are decisions for people of each state to make, a position he made clear in a video earlier this week.
And whatever they decide must be the law of the land, in this case, the law of the state.
Already, some Arizona Republicans distancing themselves from this state ruling, including Senate candidate Kari Lake, locked in one of the most high-profile races in the country. Just 2 years ago, she endorsed the 1864 law.
We have a great law on the books right now if that happens.
Now, she says she opposes it, as does her Democratic challenger.
We will have our say, and we will fight.
And just hours ago, former President Donald Trump arriving at the Atlanta airport where he responded to the abortion decision.
Did Arizona go too far? Yeah, they did, and that'll be straightened out. And as you know, it's all about states' rights. That'll be straightened out. And I'm sure that the governor and everybody else are going to bring it back into reason, and that will be taken care of, I think, very quickly.